Joey and I went to Seattle the first 3 hours of the trip, and he got spit on. Damn near. Yeah. We were on a pack, dude, and like we were asking him, hey, what you want to shoot? 3 targets?
No, you killed bait.
You guys, to the right. Oh, sorry. In there.
You have extra clips. We dropped one off of here and it fell off.
What are they, target clips?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got one.
Just grab one off a different
I got you.